Hello student, here we discuss about chemical bonding, sp3d2 hybridization as well as Vosper theory. According to Vosper theory, bonding pair lone pair is seen, and according to hybridization, how many hybrid orbitals are required, that is included in it, and both of them will give shape of the molecule. And the structure of SF6 PF6 1 negative COF6 3 negative, violation of octet rule, everything will see, and knowledge of ocean in a picture you will find. Example of sp3d2 hybridization is different type I have given. AX5N, that is bonding electron 5 bonding pair and 1 lone pair, that is called AX5N. Angle is less than 90 degree. Hybridization is sp3d2. So from here to here, this is Vosper theory, this is hybridization, and shape will be, since 6 hybrid orbitals are required and 1 hybrid orbital is occupied by lone pair, that is why shape will be square pyramidal. Regular geometry, actually if all the 6 are there, then geometry will be octahedral, but instead of octahedral, geometry is here square pyramidal. Okay, shape is square pyramidal. Why? Because 1 lone pair of electron is present in the 6th orbital. Okay, 5 orbitals are occupied by fluorine, and 6 hybrid orbital is one of this f orbit, this hybrid orbital is occupied by lone pair of electron. Now AX4N2 means 4 bonding pair, 2 lone pair. Total 6 hybrid orbitals are required. So hybridization is sp3d2, and this angle will be 90 degree angle. All of them this XFX 90 degree angle, and the sp3d2 hybridization XCF4 is square planar. Okay, shape is square planar. Clear? Why? Because two lone pair are present, 4 bonding pair are present, so shape will be square planar. Now in case of AX6, that is all 6 bonds are their bonding pair. So see here SF6, there are all bonds are occupied by fluorine atom, 6 valence electron, 0 lone pair of electrons. That is why we will say that it is having sp3d2 hybridization, 90 degree angle is there. So other example, SF6, COF6, PF6 1 negative, there are so many, we'll discuss it in later. Okay, and now how many non-bonding electrons are here? So 6 from 6 fluorine, so 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, they are non-bonding electrons here. So that is how many? 18 lone pair. 18 lone pair are present. Okay, so sometimes they are asking lone pair also. So in expanded octet rule is there, structure draw, PF6, COF6 3 negative. Draw all these structures. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Please share my video